Welcome back to Bitcoin Mastery. In this module, I'm going to talk about the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. I'm going to talk about altcoins and ICOs. Okay, an ICO is an initial coin offering. Basically, it's a new startup company that uses crowdfunding of coins. Right, they offer a coin to raise funds for their project. But we're going to talk about, right here, we're on the cryptocurrency market cap, okay, coinmarketcap.com. And in the rest of these videos in this course, I'm going to be linking everything you need down below the video, okay? So I'm going to include the CoinMarketCap link below this video so you can go check out the CoinMarketCaps yourself. The reason I like to look at CoinMarketCap is because we can see all the different coins. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, and you should be up to date with each one and what the top 10 are doing. Okay, personally, I like to start off with the biggest coins when getting started with investing in cryptocurrencies. Okay, I want to guide you in the right direction, and I want you to have the most success because as you get further down, down the page, you're going to see lots of alternative coins, altcoins, okay? And these are coins that are moving anywhere from 10 to 100% in a day, up and down. So these are a little bit higher risk plays if you're trading them or investing in them for the long term, because if you stick with the top 10, you're going to experience just enough volatility to start making money on your trades, and I want you to be successful in the long run. So stick to the top 10 for now, and then as you get better at investing and trading, which we'll teach you in the next module, you can start diving into some of these altcoins. But as you can see, number one is Bitcoin. Okay, we're at $116 billion market cap. Okay, $116 billion market cap. This is the top coin, and this is what you're going to want to get started with first, and I'll show you how to purchase Bitcoin. But basically, we're at the 7,000 mark of Bitcoin, and when I first got started, it was around 2,800. I know when Nick got started, Crypto Nick, he started when Bitcoin was at 700, and the price has just drastically increased just within this year in 2017. So I like to look at CoinMarketCap to kind of see what the top coins are. We see Bitcoin in number one. We see Ethereum in number two. And I want to talk about Ethereum because this is an altcoin that is probably the most successful because, the reason it's in number two is because the person who created Ethereum designed Ethereum to be a coin that is a coin of utility, meaning businesses can build upon Ethereum's blockchain, okay? And if there's a business that's transferring assets, right, things of value, whether it be contracts or securities, equities, options, derivatives, they can use the blockchain of Ethereum to run their business, okay? And that's why Ethereum is a coin that I invest in personally, because there is much utility in the coin, and I see a lot of these ICOs utilizing Ethereum's blockchain to basically grow their business, okay? So Ethereum is also another coin that you will want to be involved in, okay? Bitcoin Cash is number three, and this is a sub coin of Bitcoin. Okay, there was a hard fork that happened, and I'll explain in the next video what exactly a hard fork is, so that you can be aware when these things happen, because there is one coming up, and by the time you watch this video, it's probably already happened. So I'll explain what a hard fork is, but basically, this is another type of Bitcoin that's in third, and we can see it was up 11% today. So there's lots of coins in the top 10 that you can definitely profit on without having to take too much risk, like on some of these altcoins down here that are moving above 10%. This one, Golem, was down 13% in one day. So Bitcoin, Ethereum are the two top coins that I would recommend investing in. those are the ones that I'm personally invested in. Bitcoin Cash, Ripple. Ripple was actually a coin that was designed to be more for the banks, okay? And, the reason that the Bitcoin community may not accept Ripple is because, the whole premise of Satoshi Nakamoto introducing Bitcoin was to get away from the banks. So this is a coin that I don't personally invest in, but, it is a top 10 cryptocurrency. We have Litecoin, which is the silver of Bitcoin. Think of it as online silver. Okay, this is a very good coin to diversify into. The technology behind it is a little bit, more superior. I would say they have more, higher transaction speeds. You can, the block sizes are bigger than Bitcoin. So this is definitely a coin that you can diversify into. Dash. BitConnect is another one that we're going to be talking about in later videos, but this is a top 10 cryptocurrency that Nick and I both invest in. And then, we have NEO, NEM, Monero, and then obviously the rest down here, okay? So the technology behind Bitcoin is the blockchain, and, all these altcoins, right? Bitcoin was developed to be a digital currency, but all these most of the altcoins were developed to be, more of utility. They're developed to have utility behind it. Businesses can use the blockchain behind some of these coins to, use it as a ledger, right? To, share, to kind of transact, whatever it may be, whether it's options, securities, derivatives, contracts, but you can read up on these coins, and the reason I like CoinMarketCap and I'm introducing this video to you is because if you use CoinMarketCap, you can go ahead and click on one of these coins, right? Let's just click on Ethereum, okay? And basically it has their website, okay? So the reason I like CoinMarketCap and I'm introducing it to you is because you can see, you can basically click on any of these coins. It'll show you the website. You can go straight to the website, read the white papers, kind of do your research on each coin. I can't explain all the thousands of coins that are out here. I could just show you the ones that I'm personally investing in, the ones that would be easiest to get started with for good returns. And then you can also see how these coins are competing with Bitcoin, okay? Obviously, these prices are based off the US dollar. So Bitcoin is up 2% based off the US dollar. Bitcoin Cash is up 12% based off the US dollar. But if we switch this to Bitcoin, you can see how the actual coins are comparing to Bitcoin. And that's going to be the most important thing going forward because, it's fine. If the coin is up compared to the US dollar, that's great, but that doesn't really mean anything for the cryptocurrency market because Bitcoin is what you want to base all the other coins off of. Because basically, the investors are investing in Bitcoin, and then all the extra money flows into the altcoins. So you want to see what the investors are doing, which altcoins are they flowing into. Obviously, we see right here, investors are flowing into Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Litecoin, BitConnect, NEM, Omisego, right? But you could also see which altcoins are getting hit in compared to Bitcoin. So people are flowing out of these altcoins into Bitcoin. Monero, IOTA, they're flowing out of these into Bitcoin. Cardano, right, is down 12%. Bitcoin's down 10%. So if you can, and we're going to discuss that in later videos, but this is going to be helpful for you to identify and determine where the flow of money is going. And if you can identify that, you can get into the right coins at the right time and profit greatly. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to the next one.